Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, conference participant. A minute ago, we saw the film Latvia Get to Know, which briefly describes the nature of Latvia. You are very welcome to the 10th Baltic Sports Science Conference, Multiplicity of Sports Science in Practice. First of all, I would like to pay your attention that the Baltic Scientific Conferences in the framework of the Baltic Sports Science Society demonstrate excellent solidarity between three Baltic countries, Estonia, Lithuania, and Latvia, in the field of sport, health, and exercise sciences, with the synergy of education, research, and practice. Yesterday, we received congratulations to the 10th Baltic Sports Science Conference from the President of Latvia, Raimonds Vējonis. Therefore, I would like to invite representatives of the Latvian Academy of Sport Education, Doctor of Sports Science, Kalvis Ciekurs, to read this congratulation, and Doctor of Philosophy, Anastasia Ropa, to read translation in English.
Godātie konferences dalībnieki! Sveicu jūs 10. Baltijas sporta zinātnes konferences atklāšanā. Patiesi augsti sasniegumi ikvienā jomā ir panākami tikai ar nopietnu darbu. Ar darbu, ko paveic komanda, kur katrs tās dalībnieks zina savus pienākumus, un kur visus apvieno viens mērķis. Šis princips skaidri attiecas arī uz tām sfērām, ko pārstāvat jūs. Arī sportā ir zinātnē svarīgs ir komandas darbs, mērķtiecība, sadarbība un pašaizliedzība. Esmu gandarīts, ka Rīga šajās dienās ir Baltijas sporta zinātnieku un ekspertu tikšanās vieta. Fakts, ka konference tiek rīkota jau 10. reizi, apliecina, ka šāds diskusiju, pieredzes apmaiņas un sadarbības formāts rada sinerģijas efektu. Tā ir lieliska iespēja zinātniekiem parādīt plašākai publikai savus sasniegumus, diskutēt par pētījumu rezultātiem, nonākt pie jauniem secinājumiem, kas nākotnē var ietekmēt ne tikai augsta līmeņa sasniegumu sportu, bet arī sabiedrības veselību kopumā. Īpaši svarīgi, ka konferences darbā iesaistāt arī jaunos zinātniekus. Tā gan nodrošināt jomas pēctecību, gan kopīgi ceļot Baltijas sporta zinātnes prestižu šodien un nākotnē. Novēlu konferences 3 dienās gan rast atbildes uz jau gataviem jautājumiem, gan formulēt jaunus, kur atbildes meklēt un sagaidīt nākotnē, turpinot savstarpējo akadēmisko un sportisko sadarbību. Tikai tad jums būs augsti mērķi, mēs varēsim tos sasniegt. Lai izdodas. Patiesā cieņā Raimonds Vējonis. Rīgā 2017. gada 27. aprīlī.
Honorable participants of the conference, I am congratulating you on the opening of the 10th Baltic Sports Science Conference. Really high achievement in any field can only be attained through serious work. Through the work done by the team, where each member knows his responsibilities and where everybody is united by a common goal. This principle explicitly refers also to the fields represented by you. Also in sport and science, it is teamwork, determination, cooperation, and selflessness. I am greatly satisfied that in these days Riga is the meeting place of the Baltic sports scientists and experts. The fact that the conference is being held here already for the 10th time confirms that such format of discussions, experience exchange and cooperation creates the effect of synergy. It is a great opportunity for scientists to show their achievements to a wider audience, to discuss research results, to come to new conclusions which in future may have an impact not only on top sports, but also on public health in general. It is particularly important that you are involving new scientists in the conference, thus both providing continuity in the field and jointly raising the prestige of the Baltic sports science today and in the future. I wish you in the 3 days of the conference both to find answers to the questions you have and to formulate new questions for the answers to be found in the future by continuing mutual cooperation in sport and the academic work. Only having high goals will we be able to reach them. Good luck. Sincerely yours, Raimons Vejunis. Riga, April the 27th, 2017.
And now I would like to invite the representative of the Ministry of Education and Sciences of Latvia, Kaspars Randos, for the welcome words.
Dear participants of the conference, guest lecturers, and representatives of the science. Firstly, on behalf of the Minister of Education and Science of Latvia, Mr. Kārlis Šadurskis, I would like to express regret that Minister, due to the busy agenda, couldn't be here today and address the participants of the plenary. In this regard, I am taking this opportunity to give you the greetings from the Minister and welcome all the representatives of the conference of the Baltic states and other states in this meeting. Practice have proven that natural talent and work done in the sport trainings isn't enough to achieve the best results. That's why I highly appreciate this kind of conference dedicated to the multiplicity of sport science in practice. If we want to be effective, the role of science is important. Investments in competitive science is also the priority of the ministry responsible for the field. On behalf of the minister responsible for the field of sport and science, I am welcoming the participants and guest lecturers of the conference to share with their intellectual wealth and with the results of the researches. I am expressing my hope that this experience will be a gain for practitioners of the sport science and sport education. Thank you paying for attention, and I wish you a very fruitful work in the conference. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaspars Randos. And we are lucky that we have very good cooperation with the Latvian Academy of Sciences. And I would like to give the floor to the Vice President of the Latvian Academy of Sciences, Andrejs Krasnikovs.
Morning. Dear conference participants, dear sport academy leaders, federations leaders, sportsmen, high rank sportsmen, ladies and gentlemen. I am representing here Latvian Academy of Sciences. Latvian Academy of Sciences is an organization which gathering science in Latvia, and people who are coming from previous post-Soviet area know what means Academy of Science. In Western countries, Academy of Science is playing a little bit different role, but in such country like Latvia, Academy of Science is a center which gathering different branches of science and other activities. I was participated a lot of conferences, and only few was concerned with sport. That means time is changing. Time is changing, and sport is becoming synergy with science. I want to show you some slides about Latvian success in world sport. Latvia's success, historical success. On this slide you can see that Latvia first time was participating in Summer Olympic Games at 1920, and Harry Blaus was obtained silver medal, participating in Russia Empire team. Independent Latvia started activity in Olympic motion at Chamonix by 2 participants. Unfortunately, they haven't obtained any medals. Before Second World War, in Latvia was brilliant sportsmen, and one of them person tail for Latvians, Jānis Dāliņš, who obtained silver medal in Los Angeles Olympic Games. That means Latvia is participating. It's a very small country, very small country. I am traveling around the globe a lot, and some asking, what is a country less than 2 million inhabitants? But we are small, but we are strong. We are strong. Why? Because we are trying to base our activities on science. And I think, and I want to prove here that. Here you can see evolution of different kinds of sports, for example, 30, 40 years ago and nowadays. Look at this slide and you see first attempts of our luge at 70s. And now you can see right pictures nowadays luge. It's absolutely another materials, it's absolutely another equipment. The same historical comparison with maybe 60, 70 years old pictures and nowadays pictures. What is real sport? Sport can be divided from the scientific point of view in 2 parts. One part is vehicle, clothes, another part is human body. You can improve both. And Latvia has, in science, sports science, nowadays quite nice results. One example, for example, is a world famous Meldoni, which is medicine created in Latvia, our Xintes Institute, Academy of Sciences. And some special investigation made in bobsleigh aerodynamics lead to quite nice results of Latvian sportsmen at the 80s starting career in bobsleigh. I can mention many things, and looking on such pictures, you see such pictures are very, very different comparing with pictures maybe 30, 40 years ago. Absolutely new materials, absolutely new mechanics, absolutely new scientific understanding what happens with such vehicles. Only such way you can reach very high results in sport. What is sport from another point of view? Sport is possibility of human beings. How far can jump humans? How speedy can run humans? Really. Here is the scientific background of such materials. Carbon fibers, carbon fiber composite materials. Absolutely no approaches, much more lighter, much more stronger. and you can obtain much more better sport result. I want to wish success to this conference. I hope this conference will be successful, and I hope cooperation between authorities, between Latvian sport and science authorities and foreign countries authorities will rise up, and in future we will have much more best results in sport and much more best scientific investigations in biomechanics, in biophysics, in another biochemistry, in other scientific fields very, very deeply linked with sport. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now I would like to invite a representative from the Latvian Paralympic Committee, Edgars Kļaviņš, for the welcome words. Edgars Kļaviņš is the president of the Latvian Society of the Blind.
Labdien! Sveiciens arī no Latvijas Paralimpiskās komitejas. Paralimpiskais sports ir ļoti cieši saistīts ar sporta zinātni. Tas nav nekādi atdalāms. Iespējams, paralimpiskais sports ir jāpēta pat vēl vairāk kā mums ierastais sports, lai sasniegtu augsts sasniegums un spētu iesaistīt cilvēkus sporta aktivitātēs ar invaliditāti. Latvijas Paralimpiskajai komitejai ir veiksmīga sadarbība ar Latvijas Sporta pedagoģijas akadēmiju, iesaistot jaunos studentus paralimpiskajā sportā, tieši kā brīvprātīgos vai palīdzot sportistiem, kā arī tiek izglītoti jaunie studenti, kā darboties ar paralimpiešiem, bērniem, jauniešiem ar invaliditāti, un ne tikai bērniem. Latvija var lepoties ar saviem augstiem sasniegumiem un attīstības, sauksim tādu kā izrāvienu pēdējo 4 gadu laikā paralimpiskajā sportā, Baltijas līmenī īpaši. Jo Latvijā šobrīd ir iespējams sportot 23 dažādos paralimpiskajos sporta veidos, tiek iesaistīti bērni un jaunieši, kā arī ir augsts sasniegumi paralimpiskajā sportā. Rio de Janeiro paralimpiskajās spēlēs tika izcīnītas 4 medaļas. No Latviju pārstāvēja 11 atlēti, kas mūsuprāt ir cienījams skaitlis, īpaši arī medaļu skaits ir diezgan ievērojams. Mēs varam lepoties ar saviem sportistiem, dažiem fizioterapeitiem, kā arī vienu sporta dakteri, kas ir specializējusies paralimpiskajā sportā. Bet jāatzīst, ka tas ir par maz, lai mēs varētu runāt par ilgtermiņa attīstību un izaugsmi un konkurētspēju ar lielajām valstīm. Tāpēc Latvijas Paralimpiskā komiteja, kā arī iesaistītās federācijas, ir ieinteresētas dažādām aktivitātēm, iesaistīties zinātnē un, protams, saprot to, ka ir nepieciešams vēl lielāks atbalsts tieši no valsts sporta zinātnes attīstībā paralimpiskajā sportā. Paldies!
The Latvian Paralympic Committee greets the participants of the 10th Baltic Sport Science Conference. Paralympic and adapted sport is inseparable from sport science, which facilitates improvement of sport results in high-performance parasport, promotion of active lifestyle for people with movement disorders, in sport psychology, medicine, biomechanics, and other areas of sport research. The Latvian Paralympic Committee collaborates with the students of the Latvian Academy of Sports Education who study at the Professional Masters Higher Education Program Health Care Specialist in Sport. This program is particularly important for parasport, its further development and progress, for involving children, young people, and others into adopted sport. Among the Baltic countries, it's the Latvian Paralympic Committee, which in the past 4 years has taken the lead. In Latvia, there are 23 sport disciplines available for people with physical disability, for children, and for young people who are involved in parasport. And there are remarkable achievements in the Paralympic high-performance sports. 11 athletes participated in the Summer Paralympic Games in Rio de Janeiro, and 4 medals were won. We can be proud of our athletes and coaches of a sports physician, one sports physician, and some physiotherapists. But it is not enough to maintain a high level in parasport internationally. We need new progressively thinking and progressively working specialists in all areas of sport. And of particular importance in parasport are biomechanics, sport medicine, rehabilitation, sport psychology, and coaching. The Latvian Paralympic Committee and sport federations who practice parasport hope to receive higher support from the state exactly in the areas of sport science, which impacts parasport, and we in turn are ready to collaborate in introducing research projects and innovation in practice. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you for welcome words. But before we will start the plenary session, we would welcome the opportunity to inform participants about the statistic data of the conference. Firstly, we are so happy to see colleagues from 14 countries, totally about 200 participants. And these conference days, we will see 159 presentations, including oral and poster presentations. And the interesting and very important fact is that a number of presentations are collaborative presentations between countries. The plenary session of the conference is broadcasted live.